Finally.
We
have come to
identity.
To the
Nikubongea joke. Nitoe joke.
Bugonga.
Hapa panaitwa identity. So ime reveal identity ya uchafu ya mguu yako. Najua ni funny.
Haya. Nikubongea joke. Before tuambie wase nini, hebu angalieni hiyo mguu kwanza. Mwangamue. Haya. Bedhe ushaipata mwatoka? Totokuta.
Mimi nilikuwa mtoto wa nini? Rich kid.
Okay. Haya, niko na joke. Na iko out of topic, hata iko out of hii place yenye tuko. Sasa tuseme waiti pale. Sini yeye cameraman wetu. Tuseme anaamka usiku. Kila usiku yani amekula maharagwe. Alafu kila saa 6 za usiku anaamka anaenda washrooms. Kila saa 6 za usiku anaamka anaenda washroom.
Every saa 6 za usiku.
Akika kuanzia saa 6 juu amekula maharage. Kuanzia saa 6 ni washroom hapo muziki na akienda huko unasikia tu ni don
anahara.
Sugar quote.
Diarrhea.
Diarrhea. Sasa juu anaamka kila usiku anaenda anajisaidia, anaamka usiku anaenda anajisaidia. Tunaweza sema waiti ako na nightmare. Sina maana.
Nataka nikuhurumie juu ya venye ume.
Get hiyo joke.
Umeget man. Komea.
Sasa tunaweza sema ako na nightmare juu anaamka kila usiku anaenda.
Hayo ni noma.
Sina walai.
Noma.
Walai. Naweza itumia place
kwa mazishi.
So ladies and gentlemen, this is the time. Tell them how are you feeling? The feeling.
Good. Waiting on nails zangu. Let's see the final. Yeah.
There I was supposed to be to be washed up to here. I forgot.
It is for your own good.
What?
No, umejitakia kukataa kuoshwa.
I was
Hapo
by the way, let's try because try kwenda urban kidogo.
Urban? International.
English, yeah.
Ayo tunajanda kufunika.
Let's go. I'm not that scared.
Okay.
Start the conversation so that
the
conversation about where we are.
We are at Identity Spa.
No. That one
Kiambu Mall, 2nd floor. What do you want me to say?
Okay, ask me few questions with English.
Riddles.
You can ask riddles, needles.
Calm down. Wait a minute. Riddles.
Yes.
English.
Yes.
Okay. Give me a minute.
By the way, there is somehow my leg here at the ankle.
You're feeling pain?
No. Even when I use brush,
Uh-huh.
it's never
It is never becoming
satisfying.
white.
Yeah. Yeah.
You
But
want to
now-
bleach.
Now I am seeing difference.
Changes.
Yeah.
Okay. So in short, you had the gekore.
It is not Gekore, it is our genes.
Your genes will
Family.
do.
It is for
Stop assuming your family.
no,
Yeah, no.
it is for
No.
left behind. Kutiganira.
Okay. No, just leave it there. Higher. What has an eye? It is a riddles.
Yeah. We beat 5 riddles
Yes.
and then we
Even they are
we
only
go
5.
and we come, we wind up.
Okay.
Okay.
What has an eye? But what has an eye
Mhm.
but cannot see?
What has an eye?
But cannot see.
What has an eye but cannot see?
Yes.
Camera.
Camera sees because it takes
Oh, so let me try for
another
2
one.
trials.
Yeah, 2 only. Now you have the second trial. See the second one.
What has eyes but
What has an eye but cannot see? An eye, it is one.
Oh, an eye.
Yes.
Identification maybe.
No, you're trying to read names here.
No. See, identification has an eye.
ID.
Yes.
No, it is a needle.
Needle. Okay. That I was joking, I know.
No, you don't.
I know.
What is full of holes but still holds water?
What is full of
Holes.
holes but still
Holds water.
sponge.
Yeah. For the first time.
The first time.
Yeah. What has to be broken before you can use it?
What?
What has to be broken before you can use it?
Heart.
What do you mean? You want to break my heart so that
Yes. Yes. A heart must be broken so that you can use it.
No, but you know using it is another word. It means a different thing. No, it cannot. No.
What is the answer?
Egg.
Okay, last one.
What has a neck but no head?
Yes?
What has a neck but no head?
Necklace maybe.
Look at you.
What?
No. You don't know. A bottle.
Bottle.
Yeah.
That one will bamba when
you have
we have
flour.
Yes, we ask each other and then poo.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
When or dangerous dangerous viboko.
Wherever we are going tomorrow, we are going to play it.
Bus.
Yes.
It's okay.